Hello and welcome to this podcast. My name is Ali Rizal Zaidi, and I just start working on Business Central, Microsoft Business Central. And initially, but I'm facing the problem that when I'm going to download the objects, download the download symbol, it so it gives me the error no such host is known. BC this 79. And if I go to container, the IP is same. If I go into localhost file, IP is the same, right? And more interestingly, if I click on this, BC is Business Central is opening and successfully open. You can see Business Central is successfully open. So what is the solution? Basically, the problem is name resolution for IP, and that is it somehow the other it's not resolving. If I change this PC server to IP address, which is either I have to copy from host file or from a docker, this is the client IP address. And if I go here and instead to change it with IP address, and after control S, if I again call control shift P and download symbols have been downloaded, it means it's working fine. So its problem is its name revolution is not. So I restart my laptop, and after that ping I flush the IP config, flush the DNS, and after that the ping I am pinging the so after that I ping the my BC server, and it's successfully pinged. Now I'm going to create again a new project, and let's see what will happen. Right click on Visual Studio Code, run as administrator. And here I first of all uh, I am going to clear uh, the AL clear credential clear the credential cache. So it asks me to username password, and now I'm going to create again control P and download symbol. It asks me what is the username admin and at the rate word one, and it's a host is unknown, right? Why it's still not resolving? BC server, I think there, let's see what is the IP is 180 my the host name is my BC server. I copied it, and here I change it to right, and now I can again control shift P and download symbols. It asks me to authenticate admin. You can see symbols have been downloaded. So there are two solutions. If you don't want to clear the DNS, then you have to port the IP address directly here. Otherwise, what you have to do, that IP config backslash flush DNS, and after that most of the time it automatically refresh, but in my case I have to restart my laptop. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.